Hello everyone, this section focuses on the backup and restoration in routine OM. You can restore backup data to the original GaussDB instance, an existing instance, or new one. On the intent page, we select GaussDB. On this page, click the name of the target instance to go to the basic information page. Use the navigation pane, create the backups. On the displayed page, click Modify Backup Policy. You can view the configured backup policy. To modify the backup policy, adjust the parameters values as needed. Click OK. Check the result. After the task is submitted, click Modify Backup Policy to check whether the modification is successful. Okay, second part, about restoring GaussDB intent to a specified point in time. We can, on the displayed page, we click the restore to a point in time. We have three restoration methods, like create new instance, or restore to original, or restore to existing. We also can set a time range to get what time of data you want to restore. Okay, that's all. Thanks for listening.